Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are learning the things which I am explaining you. In last lecture, we have studied active passive voice, and in active passive voice, we have studied simple present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense. I hope you understood the present tense for active and passive both the voice. Today I will start with past tense for active and passive voice. Before starting this lecture, let's revise the things for present tense quickly. See, I gave you the forms of passive voice in different tenses. Simple present tense in passive voice is written with the verb forms is or am or are plus V3. I explained you that in passive voice always the third form of the verb is used, that is past participle. In continuous tense we are using ing with be. Be is used to add ing here. With is or am or are, use being plus third form of the verb. For perfect tense, been word is used with has or have plus V3. Okay, I also taught you different examples of present tense. Then I also taught you the rules to change the verb from AV to V. AV means active voice, the pattern is SVO. The pattern of the sentence is SVO, that is subject, verb, object. But in passive voice, the pattern changes into OVS. It means object become the subject of passive voice. Okay, and subject is written with by at the end of the sentence. Now when the subject, in place of subject, when the pronouns are given, then while changing to object you have to make some changes. That also I taught you: I, me, we, us, you, she, her, he, him, they, them, it, whom. Then examples I taught you: simple present tense, he loves me. Here present tense is given, loves. Okay, so me is the object, so I will be the subject case of me. I am loved by him. If negative is given, then do or does will be used in the active voice. He does not love me. So what will be the passive? I am not loved by him. Okay. In interrogative, does he love me? Always the to be is used in the beginning of the sentence. Am I loved by him? Does he not love me? Interrogative negative. Am I not loved by him? Okay. Same thing in present continuous tense also. The sentence is he is eating bread, and passive is bread is. According to the subject, we use is, am or are. Bread is being eaten by him. He is not eating bread. Bread is not being eaten by him. Is he eating bread? Question mark. Is bread being eaten by him? And negative interrogative is he not eating bread? Is bread not being eaten by him? See, here you have to keep in mind the order of not. Okay. Then present perfect tense with has or have, use been, then third form. Okay. I have read a book. A book has been. See, here with I we use have. But for book we have to use has. We have not changed the tense. Only the form is changed. Okay. Present perfect tense is formed with has or have plus third form. Okay. I have read a book. A book has been read by me. I have not read a book. A book has not been read by me. Have I read a book? Has a book been read by me? Have I not read a book? Has a book not been read by me? So here you have observed that we are making changes in has or have according to the person, according to the subject. Okay, now let's start past tense. Past tense, first of all, in given sentence, identify the verb, which tense it is. Here ed is used, so it is past tense. In past tense, we use was or were according to the subject plus V3, simple past tense. Okay, he loved me. What is the subject here? What is the object here? Me. And me changes into I for subject case. Okay, so I. Then with I we use was. I was. Then third form of loved is loved only. I was loved by him. Understood? Next one is he did not love me. You know that in past tense for negative sentences we have to take help of did for all the person. Did. Okay, did not is given. But in passive you will use was or were plus not plus V3. Okay, so I was not loved by him. Did he love me? Then again the to be will be in the beginning. Was I loved by him? Did he not love me? Was I not loved by him? Okay, I hope you understood simple past tense. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, as I explain you that continuous tense means ing, and from the to be you can identify whether it is present continuous tense or past continuous tense. Here was is the to be of past tense, so was plus ing means it is past continuous tense. Okay, I was reading a book. A book was being read by me. Third form is read only. A book was being read. Because ing we have to add, we have to take help of be form. Okay, a book was being read by me, because we are using third form of the verb, so we cannot add ing to the third form. So for adding ing we are taking help of be. Okay, second sentence, I was not reading a book. Negative. So what will be the passive voice? A book was not being read by me. Then interrogative sentence, was I reading a book? Then was, then object is a book. Was a book being read by me? Was I not reading a book? Interrogative negative. Okay, was a book not being read by me? So I hope you understood past continuous tense. Now let's start with past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is very easy for you, as you have to add only been to the passive voice. Already had is also given in active voice and V3 is also given in active voice. You have to add only been in passive voice. Okay, and there is no choice in had. You have to use had with all the subjects. Okay, like present perfect tense we have to choose has or have according to the subject, but here in past tense we don't have any choice, we have to use had only. So it will be easy for you. Only add been in passive voice and change subject and object, that's all. See the examples. You had finished your work. Okay, you had finished your work. So your work had been finished by you. Your work had been finished by you. Understood? Only we add been, take the object in the beginning of the sentence and take the subject after by. Okay, your work had been finished by you. Then negative sentence, you had not finished your work. So your work had not been finished by you. See, not is always used. Not is always used after had. Had not been. Okay, so here only we added been. Your work had not been finished by you. Had you finished your work? Interrogative sentence. So had will be in the beginning. Had, then what is the subject? Your work. Had your work been finished by you? See, been will go with third form. Okay, been and third form will be put together. Had your work been finished by you? Had you not finished your work? Had your work not been finished by you? So here not will be used with been and V3. Okay, had your work not been finished by you? I hope you understood past tense. Now let's see the exercises. Before that, exercises. First exercise we have done. These sentences are remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After explaining models and commands, then I will explain you. Then exercise number 2. The following sentences are in the past tense active voice. Turn them to passive voice. Okay. My mother knitted this cardigan for me. Now, what is the first step? My mother is the first step. Identify SVO. Okay. So, what is my mother? It is subject. Then what is the verb? Knitted. And what is the object? This cardigan. Okay. So, find out SVO in active voice. So, make the object subject. So, the sentence will start with this cardigan. This cardigan. Okay. The sentence will start with this cardigan. Now as it is past tense, we have to use was or were. Because it is singular, so we use was. This cardigan was. Now third form is knitted only. See, one tip I am giving you. If the second form is ed, then most probably the third form is also ed. Here knitted is given, ed is added to the verb. So the third form is also the same, knitted. Okay. So this cardigan was knitted for me by my mother. Understood? I repeat this answer. This cardigan was knitted for me by my mother. Students, you can write these answers with your pencil in your textbook only. Then at a stretch you will write this exercise after the completion of this chapter. Understood? I will give you all the instructions. For, right now you will write the answers with pencil in your textbook only or somewhere else if you want. Okay, but write the answers. This cardigan was knitted for me by my mother. Understood? Then second sentence is, the villagers had lost all their possessions during the floods. Okay, so what is the subject? The villagers, subject, had lost, verb, and all their possessions, object. Okay, these are extra words, during the floods. Okay, so all their possessions will come in the beginning. All their possessions. All their possessions. Then had been lost. I told you that with had the third form is used. Okay, so the only thing you will do is just add been. All their possessions had been lost during the floods by the villagers. I repeat the answer. All their possessions had been lost during the floods by the villagers. Understood? Then, did you forget to post this letter yesterday? Now it is question. Okay, did. So obviously our passive will start with was or were. Okay, what is the object here? This letter. It is singular. So start with was. Was this letter? Was this letter forgotten to post yesterday? Was this letter forgotten to be posted yesterday? To be posted. Okay. Was this letter forgotten to be posted yesterday by you? Okay, this is the whole answer. I repeat the answer. Was this letter forgotten to be posted yesterday by you? Understood? Next one is, the children were helping the teacher in decorating the class. Here, after the verb, the teacher is given, so it is object, the teacher. Okay, so the teacher was being helped in decorating the class by the children. I repeat the answer. The teacher was being helped in decorating the class by the children. Okay. Next one is, did the police stop the strikers from doing damage to public property? Find out the subject, verb, object. The police is subject. Stop is verb. The strikers is object. Okay. So, from doing damage to public property, we will take together. The strikers were stopped from doing damage to public property by the police. I repeat the answer. The strikers were stopped. Double P-E-D. The strikers were stopped from doing damage to public property by the police. Understood? Then WH question. Why did you frighten the horse? Here, frighten is verb, the horse is object. Okay. So, why was the horse be frightened by you? Why was the horse frightened by you? Okay. I repeat the answer. Why was the horse frightened by you? Question mark. Someone stole my suitcase from the railway compartment. My suitcase is object. Okay, so my suitcase, now it is past tense, simple past tense. My suitcase was stolen from the railway compartment. Here, one rule I want to explain you. When the subject is unknown or general or to be understood, then we can skip the subject. Okay, जब someone, no one, everyone, people, they, management, government, ऐसे words अगर subject की place पर दिए हैं, then you can skip the words in passive voice because it is understood. Someone, we don't know who is that. Okay, so here what will be the passive? My suitcase was stolen from the railway compartment. Full stop. Okay, then next one is, he did not tell the members about the meeting on time. Here, did not tell is verb and the members is object. Okay, so start with object. The members were not told. Third form of tell is told. The members were, W-E-R-E, were not told about the meeting on time by him. Or you can skip him also. Okay, the members were not told about the meeting on time. This is also correct. The members were not told about the meeting on time by him. It is also correct. Okay, it depends on the meaning of the sentence. Okay, 9th number, she asked me to shut the door and lock it properly. She asked me. Here verb is asked, me is object. Okay, so I was asked to shut the door and lock it properly by her. I was asked. Only this sentence, only this one will be changed into passive. She asked me. I was asked to shut the door and lock it properly by her. Okay. Then 10th one is, they believed that the experiment failed because of bad planning. They believed that the experiment failed because of bad planning. Okay, when the sentence starts with they believed, okay, then to change it into passive voice you can write it is believed that. So here it is passive only, to be hai, or it is नहीं, it was, because believed hai. Okay, so it was believed that, it was believed that the experiment failed because of bad planning. Join the sentence. The experiment failed because of bad planning. Other way of writing this sentence is it was believed that the experiment was failed, the experiment failed because of bad planning. This one is only correct one. Okay, it was believed that the experiment failed because of bad planning. It will be easy for you. Next manner is a little bit tough for you. Okay, so you can write it was believed that the experiment failed because of bad planning. Understood? So some sentences are little bit tricky. Okay, but if you will go according to the rules, then you will find it easy. Okay, then here also this exercise you do not need to write. Okay, it is only for explaining, this type of sentences cannot be asked in exam because we are asking the sentences in 8th standard. Okay, so and in 9th standard also active passive voice is asked in sentence form only. So but for your knowledge we are doing, it is little bit tricky and tough. Okay, but don't worry, it will not be asked in exam, but you should be clear in your mind regarding this paragraph. That's why I am giving you the answers. Just listen to it. The villagers witnessed a terrible train accident last night. Past tense. Okay, and object is the terrible train accident was witnessed last night by the villagers. The next one is the fire brigade fought the fire involving 5 bogies while ambulances rescued the survivors. Here, see, 2 parts are there in sentence. Okay, each part has subject, object, verb. So both the sentences will be converted into passive voice. The fire brigade fought the fire involving 5 bogies. The answer is the fire was fought involving 5 bogies by the fire while the survivors were rescued by ambulances. Okay. The next one is ambulances took all the survivors to hospital. Here object is all the survivors. So all the survivors were taken to hospital by ambulances. Okay. No one knows yet the cause of the accident. The cause of the accident is not known yet. The cause of the accident is not known yet. Okay. The government has ordered a full investigation. So a full investigation has been ordered by the government. A full investigation has been ordered by the government. Newspapers and TV reporters have already interviewed many of the survivors. So here object is many of the survivors have already been interviewed by newspapers and TV reporters. They said that there must be some eyewitnesses. So here we convert they say into it is said that there must be some eyewitnesses. Okay. The police and the reporters are continuing the search. The search is being continued by the police and the reporters. Okay, so little bit tricky, and it needs so much practice. Okay, after practice only you will be able to convert it. Okay, now exercise 6 is also tricky, but it is in future tense. Okay, exercise 7, after model auxiliaries, after explaining you model auxiliaries, I will explain. Okay, so I hope you understood all these things. Now let me explain you WH questions. See, who tells you that present tense is there? Okay, when who is given in active voice, for passive voice we change it into by whom. Keep it in your mind. Who changes into by whom? Who changes into by whom? Who tells you that? By whom are you told that? Understood? By whom are to be, then object, okay, then V3. But here object, who tells you that? Subject is not given. By whom are you told that? By is used in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, how do you know him? How is he known to you? How do you know him? How is he known to you? Somewhere in passive voice we have to change the prepositions according to the verb. That you will study in 9th standard, and 9th standard students, they will also study. I will upload the pics for preposition with which verb which preposition is used. Okay, so don't worry about that. Next one is, where did you not see him? Where did you not see him? Where was he not seen by you? Okay, what are you doing? What is being done by you? Same rules are there, but WH will be in the beginning in passive voice also. Okay, whom are you serving? See here, whom is changed into who. Who is being served by you? Okay, why have you run a race? Why has a race been run by you? When had he won the match? When had the match been won by him? How shall I solve the sum? How will the sum be solved by me? This is future tense that I will explain you in next lecture. Then command sentences. See, before that, let's begin with miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means in some sentences two objects will be there. Then how you will do it? Okay. Two objects are direct object and animate beings. Direct objects are normally the things we make. Normally the things, direct object है normally the things होते हैं. Okay, and we make direct object the subject of passive voice with 2 or 4 before it. Here in previous exercise I told you that we have to add some prepositions according to the verb. So here 2 or 4 are placed before, 2 or 4 is placed before the subject in passive voice. Okay, the booking clerk issued me a ticket. Here me is also object, a ticket is also object. Okay, we can make passive voice in two ways if two objects are given. Here me is also object, a ticket is also object. A ticket is direct object, me is the indirect object. Okay, so here a ticket, then it is past tense, so we use was. A ticket was used to me by the booking clerk. Okay, or I was issued a ticket, we make me the subject. I was issued a ticket by the booking clerk. Whatever is easy for you, you can write in both the ways. But in modern English, generally indirect objects are used as subject of passive voice. Okay. Then models. In some sentences you see the models. I explained you models in previous chapter. Okay, so what are the models? They are auxiliaries: can, could, may, might, should, would, ought to, need to, used to. These are the models. Okay, so it is easy. Model sentences are easy to convert in passive voice. What you will do, just write the model whichever is given, write the model, then use be, then v3. This is the verb form for passive for models. Understood? Models, whatever it is given, model plus be, write the word be plus v3. Okay, must be taken, might be taken, should be taken, may be taken, could be taken. Okay, can be taken, would be taken, ought to be taken. Okay, so after the model you will use be plus v3. That's all. Then command sentences I will explain you in next lecture. I hope you understood all these things which I explained you today. It is important to understand the things and try to revise and re-revise and re-revise all the verb forms. It is very important chapter. Okay, so I hope you will keep on practicing this chapter and the verb forms and the tenses. We will meet in next lecture with new tense. Till then, bye.